Hi friends, thank you everyone for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vada. To make vada we need urad dal. I have soaked the urad dal and I'm going to grind it. Drain the water and grind it. After grinding, take it into a bowl and add salt, peppercorns, cumin seeds, chopped onion, green chili and crushed little ginger. Do not add water while grinding the urad dal because it will absorb more oil if you add water. So now I have added the salt and the peppercorns and the cumin seeds and goes the chopped onion, green chili and ginger into it. Now after mixing, the vada mixture is ready to go into the oil. Now wet your hand and take a little of this mixture into the hand. Make it into a ball, then press it flat little bit, and in the middle we need to make a hole with the thumb finger. If it is not coming properly, we need to wet the thumb finger and then drop it slowly into the oil. First time I couldn't make it properly, but the second time it came well. So we need to wet it like that and make it into a hole and then drop it. Keep the flame in the medium heat and cook all the vadas evenly and remove it. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your friends and family.